Hi y'all. My hammock just slipped, so I'm not sure if you can even see me. Hi. We're out here doing the taste test in the hammock, hopefully. Today we've got a cat that wants to be in the shot. Anyway, sorry, where were we? Oh, okay, you can be in the picture. This is Raja the Wonder Cat, filling in for Baja the Wonder Dog. Hi, Miss Raja. She's visiting from next door because she wants to be internet famous too. Oh, okay, there we go. Now I'm covered in cat drool. Hi, welcome back to Taste Testing. Today we've got some sour cream and onion flavored rings, but they're made out of lentil and rice snacks. Or lentil and rice. Let's see, are they vegan? I think they're vegan. They don't say vegan. Store in a cool, dry space. Actual size. Made with lentils, rice meal, sour cream and onion seasoning. There's buttermilk solids, so that's not vegan. And sour cream, I don't think. Nope. So, vegetarian maybe? No. So they're, pretend they're good for you snacks. But Trader Joe's makes some good, pretend they're good for you snacks. Am I still in the shot? Was rice in the shot? Is there a shot? Anyway. We've got little, I'm trying to get a whole one. There we go. They're about this big. And they're not onion rings for sure. They're snack rings. Now my cat's getting jealous and jumping at the door from the inside saying, I want to play too, Daddy. So if you hear her scratching, that's her jumping up at the door scratching. They're okay. They're not, definitely not onion rings. Actually, they're a bit bland, even though they're supposedly sour cream and onion. They could use a little bit more sour cream and onion. So, that's what we've got for today. An okay snack. It's not, in fact, the calories is probably right up there with potato chips. Maybe a little bit better for you than a potato chip, but if they are, it's just barely. You might as well get a potato chip and have some real flavor. Although the serving size on these is 24 pieces, so I just had like half of a serving. On a potato chip, it's like 3 potato chips or something. But at least you'd have chip flavor. Anyway, that's all. Now go home. The movie's over. And we'll see you next time. Bye!